The Department of Justice is now appealing a judge's decision to allow a special master to review materials that the FBI seized from Mar-a-Lago last month. The DOJ says the review will impede their investigation. CBS reporter Natalie Brand has details from the White House.
A semi-retired judge from New York has been appointed to serve as the independent arbiter or special master who will review documents seized from former President Donald Trump's Florida home in August.
If it's going to be someone, he's excellent, has a good reputation, a little slow, which might matter here, but basically a very solid judge.
U.S. District Judge Raymond Dearie will have until November 30th to look through the more than 11,000 records, according to the court order, which also says the judge should prioritize the documents marked as classified.
Whether or not a document is classified is irrelevant. It's a question of mishandling national security information, even if they have been declassified.
The Department of Justice is still fighting the court's decision to block its access to the documents pending the review, claiming it puts its investigation on hold. An appeal would be heard by the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, where 6 of the 11 judges were appointed by former President Trump.
That could also be a favorable judicial audience for him.
Trump, in a radio interview Thursday, had a warning if he's indicted.
I think you'd have problems in this country, the likes of which perhaps we've never seen before. I don't think the people of the United States would stand for it.
Inviting the mob to return to the streets is exactly what happened here January 6, 2021.
Lawmakers are especially concerned about a rise in threats against federal and other law enforcement officers since the search at Trump's Florida residence. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
Judge Dearie has scheduled a preliminary conference with lawyers next week at a federal courthouse in Brooklyn. Judge Cannon says the former president will have to pay the entire cost of Judge Dearie's review since Trump is the person who made the request for a special master.